Just gonna sleep out.
Okay, go on. Turn it back on.
Guys, we just saw a muskrat. Anyways, there's a beautiful view. Look at that. Look at that view. And guys, I just like to say, if you could subscribe, that would leave a lot to my heart. Like literally. Like literally.
Oh, that's really cute. So sign off now. Say goodbye, everyone.
Yep, goodbye. Anyways, guys, I have to say goodbye. Because I'm recording this on my tablet. So, just before you leave, hit that subscribe button. Ask a nice comment. And like the video. And look.
You see it?
That's gotten closer to Karen.
And look at that other one hovering. Oh, dive bomb. He's protecting his chicks.
Anyways, guys, see you next time. Spies out.